Today we're going to be discussing dual or variable rate commissions. Most realtors are familiar with the MLS listing input labeled dual variable because an entry is required. This line prompts us to enter either a yes or no if the commission on the listing is a variable commission or not. Many realtors have a misunderstanding about what to do with this question and actually aren't sure what a variable rate commission is. First, let me clarify, an uneven commission split is not a dual variable commission. There are no rules requiring a listing broker to share commissions equally and no requirement to disclose them. The MLS is prohibited by law from establishing or recommending commissions and/or commission splits. Now, regarding the commission that the listing agent negotiates with the seller, sometimes the listing agent will have a special arrangement with the seller for a reduction in the total commission if they represent the buyer in the transaction without a cooperating broker involvement. We call that a dual or variable rate commission. In other words, a dual or variable rate commission arrangement is one in which the seller agrees to pay a specified discounted commission if the property is sold by the listing broker without another broker's assistance, and a different commission if the sale results through the efforts of a buyer broker, or one in which the seller agrees to pay a specified commission if the property is sold by the listing broker either with or without the assistance of a buyer broker, but a different commission if the sale results through the efforts of the seller or owner. Both MLS Rule 7.22 and the Code of Ethics Standard of Practice 3-4 tells us that the existence of a dual or variable commission arrangement needs to be disclosed by the listing broker, and there's a field for this in the MLS. If an agent has a dual or variable arrangement with the seller, that must be disclosed on the MLS by entering a yes in the dual variable field. The rules also tell us that the listing broker shall, in response to inquiries from buyer brokers, discuss the differential that would result in either a cooperative transaction or alternatively in a sale that results through the efforts of the seller. The buyer broker must then disclose such information to their buyer client before the buyer client makes an offer to purchase. It's simple. If there's an arrangement with the seller for a reduction in commission, if the listing agent also represents the buyer, it needs to be noticed in the MLS so that buyer's agents can call and find out what that differential is. If there's something else you'd like to see explained in future videos, please let us know. Until then, remember you can always reach out to our Ombudsman program for one-on-one assistance with any questions.